Old Jeans Upcycling Tutorials by Miarti. Press the cut piece with an iron and cut out 4 by 3 cm rectangles from the bottom corners to prepare for boxing. Place the denim piece onto the yellow fabric. Add a 1 cm seam allowance along the top and side edges and cut out the lining, making it 1 cm shorter along the bottom seam line. Stitch the side seams of the yellow lining on the sewing machine with a 1 cm seam allowance. Fold the denim main body wrong side out and straight stitch the bottom seam on the sewing machine. Box the bottom corners of both the denim shell and the yellow lining, then stitch across them on the sewing machine. Press the top raw edge of the yellow lining 1 cm under. Then insert the lining into the denim shell, wrong sides together. Top stitch along the upper rim to secure the lining to the denim base. Cut 2 fabric strips, 35 by 10 centimeters, from the denim scraps to create the handles. Fold the long, raw edges of the denim strips toward the center, secure with sewing clips, and top stitch along both sides. Measure 4 centimeters down from the top edge of the bag, draw a horizontal placement line, and mark the spacing points for the handles. Align the handles with the marked points on the bag, and stitch the ends in place with a straight machine stitch. Flip the handles upward and sew a securing line of top stitching along the upper rim of the bag. Cut a tie strap, 100 by 10 centimeters, from the yellow fabric and trim its ends into a pennant, V shape. Thread the yellow fabric strap under the attached handles all the way around the bag. Cut 5 fabric circles with an 8 centimeter diameter from the denim to create a flower motif. Fold each fabric circle in quarters and gather the petals onto a needle and thread to form the denim flower. Make a fabric-covered button using a scrap of yellow fabric. Pull the thread tight to secure, and trim away the excess seam allowance. Insert the yellow button center into the middle of the denim flower, and sew it directly onto the knot of the yellow sash. Showcase the interior capacity and the inside layout of the finished mini bag. Showcase the finished, unique, upcycled denim handbag with custom fabric decor, 19 by 15 by 10 centimeters.